What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the Sofi stock. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to do your due diligence before entering any positions inside of the stock market. The Sofi stock is not a get-rich opportunity. This is a very strong company with excellent management. If management continues to execute, the stock will increase in price over time. That being said, tomorrow is game time, guys. I am back. My channel has no flags on it. We are doing a live stream 6:30 a.m. I want you guys to be there. So be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. What are you expecting for earnings tomorrow? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's going to be an absolutely insane live stream. We're going live 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. That'll give us about 30 minutes to get ready for the earnings report at 7 a.m. This is the moment I've been waiting for. I've been making videos on Sofi for a long time. Basically, the biggest mistake I made was just getting in a little bit too early, while we were in the COVID. Rate cuts dropped, rate cuts went up for years, inflation skyrocketed. Just got in the position a little bit too early. And now you're seeing the durability happen for Sofi over time, where the company's put up 13 quarters of Rule of 40 score, which is a software score. And you're also seeing top line revenue skyrocket to 3-year highs, which we had 44% growth rate last quarter. And there's a possibility that we potentially may put up back-to-back 40% growth rate. Right now, I believe Sofi stock is undervalued when you look at their trajectory of where they're going. You see a lot of tech stocks get the future priced in, but I don't believe people are really pricing in the future of Sofi because nobody really knows how big this is truly going to be yet, because you haven't seen the profitability take off. You continue to see the investments into other business segments. You've seen that happen with the mortgage company they acquired, Wyndham. You saw that happen with Technisys, Galileo, an offering, $2 billion. Just so many investments for the future. Crypto's coming back. You need to realize Sofi had two large businesses stripped from them. They lost student loans. That was their largest business. They were in early on crypto. Crypto was stripped from them during the biggest crypto bull market ever, 2020, 2022. It's just absolutely insane how many things have been taken away from Sofi, and that they are still here right now, ready to hit new all-time highs and skyrocket with just absolutely insane growth just beginning. Guys, if this story compounds like it's compounding right now for the next 2 years, this is going to be a monster company when you get to the end of 2027, guys. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be a monster company, and I am diamond handing this stock, and I believe, in my opinion, that if fundamentals continue to execute, we do get more rate cuts happening, and we continue in this bull market in 2026, this stock could potentially hit $100 per share. I'm not saying you're going to get rich off of that. It just depends on your investment inside of the stock. I'm just saying we are going to beat the S&P 500, and that is my main goal inside of this market. If you want more diversified, assets to look into, look after the chat ETF. That's the AI ETF, and then also look at MAGs, top 7 companies in the world. I wouldn't be buying S&P 500 in this day and age with so much growth, so much technology, so much AI out there. I want people to capitalize on as much growth as possible, and that is why I am all in on the Sofi stock right now, and I believe this investment is going to pay off massively very soon. Regardless of what happens tomorrow, I believe Sofi is going to triple beat, and I believe any sell-off, people should be taking advantage of any dip buying opportunities, because you got to realize we moved up $10 since the last earnings report, even after an offering. So that shows me institutions are buying all across the board. But I'm telling you, this is the quarter that solidifies us into the S&P 500 inclusion. This is the quarter I've been waiting for. I thought Q2 was a blowout. Q3 is going to be out of this world, guys. It's going to be absolutely insane. We're going to be looking at some of the numbers that I put out, some of the other creators, and just show you guys what to be expecting tomorrow. 6:30 a.m. live stream. And also, if you want access to my VIP Patreon group where you see other trades that I'm making, other stocks that I'm buying, options trading that I'm getting into, I'm holding a ton of leap options right now. You can sign up for the VIP Patreon group. You'll see all of the moves that I'm making. That being said, we got an absolutely incredible video for you today. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, the Sofi stock is breaking to all-time highs. Yes, we did hit $31 a couple of weeks ago in the pre-market, but then we sold off to like $25. But as you guys can see, the Sofi stock is hovering about $30.22, looking pretty solid for going into earnings tomorrow. If this stock does move up about 15 to 20%, you're looking at about a $35 stock price tomorrow. So a pretty big move could happen if we get a triple B blowout and there's just nothing to really hold the stock back. Take a look at this, guys. Goldman Sachs Global Investment Research put out top 15 companies eligible for the S&P 500 inclusion. Now it is actually down to 11 companies left because App, an energy company, Hood, and also Interactive Brokers. But you guys can see we're down to about 11 companies. And we have seen some of the S&P 500 inclusion moves, put in 2 to 3 companies at a time. So there's a possibility that SoFi can get in December if we get this massive blowout and the market cap continues to skyrocket. Just look at where the market cap is right now, guys. SoFi is currently ranked 270 out of 503 companies inside of the S&P 500 by market cap, guys. So we're over 230 other companies inside of SPY. That is why I'm telling people there's no reason to buy SPY any longer. You can buy these AI ETFs like Chat or, the top 10 companies in the world and just buy MAGs. There's no point to get dragged down by 200 companies that are legacy companies barely growing. I believe SPY is the outdated index to buy. And, if you want 15 to 20% returns, it's a solid index, but there's a lot of other ETFs out there putting up 40, 60% returns right now in this AI technology bull market. So it's something to consider. Just realize if SoFi does make a big move up, $5, $10, we're going to be ranked like top 200 out of the entire 500 before we even get included into the S&P 500. So SoFi is doing absolutely perfect right now. We just want to continue to see the market cap go up. Now, I want you guys to take a look at this. This is something I put out, stock price correlated to Q3 net income. And I believe this is the price action we could see if we see Q3 net income, look the way it's going to look. But of course, you can also project this out for Q4, Q1, or Q2 2026. But guys, just take a look at this. Q3 net income, 150 million. I believe it's going to be a $45 stock. It might not happen immediately, but like we just saw a $10 move up the past 90 days, I believe the stock can move up $15 if we do get a net income right around the 150 million range. And then you could do a trajectory out for Q4 if we put up potentially $200 million. Remember, that quarter won't be shown until January next year. But if we put up 200 million, do the run rate, that's 800 million net income. I believe it's a $60 stock all day. And then you can just, keep moving forward. So I believe these are the net incomes connected to the stock price. This is not the exact same premium as Robinhood. This is actually a dramatic pullback from Robinhood's price to sales of 30. This is more like a price to sales of 15 to 20 on some of these. So understand, I'm still including the lending risk inside of the business, not a 100% fee-based risk-free business. I'm also including the lending risk as well. But I believe we're going to get close to this number right here. And as you guys can see, these are my projections. I believe we're going to hit $960 million in revenue, which is 39% growth. EPS of 11 cents. That's a 3-cent beat. Members, 970,000. EBITDA, 287 million. And then net income, $137 million. Not that far off from that 150 million I just put out. So as you guys can see, we are getting close to the profitability starting to expand potentially in the next quarter, Q4, the monster quarter. We could also see around, $200 million net income or something like that. So guys, I believe they're also going to raise full year EPS from 31 cents to 35 cents. Imagine if they do come in full year at 38, 39. The stock is going to move up higher, guys. I'm telling you, this is the breakout quarter. This is the quarter we've been waiting for. This is not get rich quick. This is not a scam. This is an actual solid investment company inside of the market. And depending on, how many shares you own is depending on the outcome you're going to see in your returns. Now, as you guys can see, the SoFi community sees different. We did a vote. We almost got 1,300 votes on this. What will SoFi's Q3 revenue be? Of course, I put out 960 million, then I put out 970, 980, and then 1 billion. 53% of the community put $1 billion in revenue. If this happens, I'm telling you, the stock is going to go nuclear tomorrow because no analysts on there, no YouTube creators are projecting these types of numbers, guys. This is absolutely insane if we get this 1 billion. And I'm really loving the SoFi community for really having conservative guidance. As you guys can see, we got 980, 960, 959, 950, 940. This gives us rocket fuel if we do break over that top of 1 billion. So everyone put very solid guidance, absolutely destroying analysts. But if we do hit that 1 billion, it's showtime, guys. I mean, this stock could potentially go to the moon because no one on Wall Street is projecting any types of numbers in the 1 billion type of range, guys. This is it. This is what we've been waiting for. We got to wait and see. What I want you guys to do is follow me on X, Twitter, X account. For all of you that follow me on YouTube, be sure to make an X account. Follow me at Kyle White Goat. There's a lot of fake accounts out there. Don't follow any fake accounts or spam bot accounts. Follow me right here at Kyle White Goat. You will not regret it. I do a lot of daily posting, on X. It's a very good platform, and you will like it once you make the move, trust me. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be live streaming the SoFi earnings tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. The earnings are going to come out at about 7 a.m., so it'll give us a little bit of time. And also be sure to sign up for the VIP Patreon group. This is where you're going to get access to all the trades I'm making, all the stocks that I'm buying, my watch list, all the moves that I'm making, guys. We're doing absolutely incredible on the VIP Patreon group, and a lot of people love it, so be sure to sign up. You won't regret it. I hope you guys have a great day.